Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to connect Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 to phone. We start by turning on our Galaxy Watch. The first thing we will do is install the Galaxy Wearable application if we do not already have it on our mobile. Once installed, we open it. Now we will enable the Bluetooth and location options of our phone. Then we go to the app and click on Continue. If you request it, we will give the application the necessary permissions so that it can correctly access the data. Next, a search will be done for the smartwatch. Once it appears, we will click on it. A code will appear on the smartwatch that we must confirm on the phone by clicking on Pair. It is possible that it will ask us to install some more applications so that they are complements. We will install the requested applications. After that, the necessary software will begin to install. If you want, log in to the applications that appear or skip it. We will accept the license terms and allow the necessary permissions requested for them to access the information. After this, we can link a Google account that we have and select the applications that we want to install on the Galaxy Watch. If we want, we can make an automatic backup with the Samsung Smart Switch mobile app. We will continue the process and select our preferences. By clicking on Next, we can see different usage tips. Finally, the process will be finished and we will see our Galaxy Watch correctly connected. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.